Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent agents. These agents are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These agents can reason, learn, and act autonomously. They can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on their findings. Imagine a computer program that can play chess, not just move pieces randomly, but strategize like a human player. It can anticipate the opponent's moves and plan several steps ahead. Now, imagine that same intelligence applied to tasks like driving a car or translating languages. Self-driving cars can navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules. The goal of AI is to create machines that perform tasks requiring human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing images, and even engaging in conversations. These machines can learn from experience and adapt to new information. Machine learning algorithms allow AI systems to improve their performance over time. AI is already all around us, powering everything from our smartphones to our cars. Voice assistants, navigation systems, and personalized recommendations are just a few examples. As AI technology advances, it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. It can enhance productivity, improve efficiency, and create new opportunities. From healthcare to transportation to education, AI can solve some of the world's most pressing problems. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. In education, it can provide personalized learning experiences for students. The idea of artificial intelligence has captured the human imagination for centuries. Long before computers, myths, and stories explored artificial beings with human-like intelligence. In the early 20th century, science fiction writers like Isaac Asimov and Arthur C. Clarke popularized AI. Asimov's 3 Laws of Robotics and Clarke's HAL 9000 in 2001: A Space Odyssey raised important questions about AI. These early explorations sparked our imagination and laid the groundwork for AI development. The field of artificial intelligence was officially born in 1956 at a historic conference at Dartmouth College. Visionary mathematicians and computer scientists, including John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, gathered to discuss creating thinking machines. The Dartmouth Workshop marked the beginning of AI as a distinct field of study. Early successes in AI research fueled excitement and investment, leading to the establishment of AI labs at leading universities. Despite initial optimism, AI faced significant challenges in the 1970s and 1980s. Early AI systems struggled with complex real-world problems, leading to a period known as the AI winter. One main challenge was representing knowledge in a way computers could understand. Symbolic AI, which used symbols and rules, proved too inflexible for real-world complexity. Another challenge was the lack of computational power available at the time. The computers of the 1970s and 1980s were not powerful enough for sophisticated AI systems. The 1990s and 2000s saw a resurgence of interest in AI, fueled by machine learning. Unlike symbolic AI, machine learning algorithms learn from data without explicit programming. This approach allowed AI systems to adapt and solve more complex problems. Key breakthroughs included the development of artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain. Neural networks can recognize patterns, make predictions, and perform complex tasks. The rise of the internet and digital devices created vast amounts of data for training algorithms. Advances in computer hardware, like GPUs, provided the computational power needed for machine learning. At its core, AI mimics human intelligence through complex algorithms and computational models. These models are designed to process information, make decisions, and even learn from experience, much like a human brain. Most modern AI systems rely on machine learning, a data-driven approach that allows computers to learn and adapt without being explicitly programmed for every task. Imagine feeding massive amounts of data into a computer program to find patterns and relationships. This data can come from various sources, such as images, text, or even sensor data from the environment. One popular type of machine learning is supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on a labeled data set. This means that each piece of data is tagged with the correct answer, helping the AI learn to make accurate predictions. For example, an image recognition AI might be trained on millions of labeled images. These images could include various objects, animals, or even people, each labeled with what they represent. The algorithm learns to identify patterns corresponding to each label, allowing it to recognize objects in new images. Over time, the AI becomes more accurate as it processes more data and refines its understanding. Another type is unsupervised learning, where the algorithm finds patterns in unlabeled data. This method is useful for discovering hidden structures or relationships within the data that were not previously known. Reinforcement learning involves an AI agent learning through trial and error, receiving rewards for desired actions. This approach is often used in robotics and game playing, where the AI must make a series of decisions to achieve a goal. This approach is similar to how animals learn through positive and negative reinforcement. By receiving feedback, the AI can adjust its actions to improve performance over time, becoming more efficient and effective in its tasks. AI is deeply embedded in our everyday lives, from personalized recommendations to voice assistants. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, making tasks easier and more efficient. AI algorithms analyze your past behavior to suggest products, songs, or movies you might enjoy. These recommendations are tailored to your preferences, enhancing your user experience. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands. They're designed to make our lives more convenient by performing tasks through simple voice interactions. They can set alarms, play music, make calls, and control smart home devices. These assistants are becoming smarter with each update, learning from user interactions to provide better responses. Social media platforms rely on AI for personalized news feeds and content moderation. AI helps in curating content that is most relevant to you, ensuring you see what matters most. Facial recognition technology tags friends in photos, while sentiment analysis tools gauge public opinion. These tools help in understanding user sentiments and improving user engagement. These technologies shape our online experiences and how we connect with others. AI-driven apps facilitate communication, making it easier to stay connected with friends and family. AI has a profound impact on how we consume information and perceive the world. It curates news and video content, ensuring we receive information that is both relevant and engaging, ultimately shaping our worldview. AI is transforming healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments. AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect anomalies and assist doctors in making accurate diagnoses. AI-powered systems can identify early signs of conditions like cancer and heart disease. AI is also revolutionizing drug discovery and development, significantly accelerating the process. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of biological data to identify promising drug candidates. Personalized medicine is another area where AI is making significant inroads. AI algorithms tailor treatments to individual needs by analyzing genetic makeup, medical history, and lifestyle. This personalized approach promises to improve treatment outcomes and optimize healthcare resources. AI is transforming the finance industry, from fraud detection to algorithmic trading. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time to identify suspicious patterns. These systems detect fraudulent transactions, fake accounts, and prevent money laundering. AI-powered trading systems analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades at high speeds. These systems exploit market inefficiencies and manage risk more effectively than traditional methods. AI improves risk assessment and credit scoring by analyzing a wider range of data. AI algorithms create more comprehensive and accurate risk profiles. These technologies help financial institutions operate more efficiently and make better decisions. As AI advances, it raises questions about its future implications. AI could solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease eradication. However, these advancements also raise concerns about potential risks. One significant concern is the impact of AI on employment, potentially automating millions of jobs. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. AI could develop autonomous weapons, create propaganda, or manipulate financial markets. It's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations for AI development and deployment. Responsible AI can provide innovative solutions while mitigating risks. AI is poised to be one of the most transformative technologies in human history. Its impact will reshape societies, economies, and our understanding of humanity. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's shaped by our choices and actions. Collaboration between AI researchers, policymakers, and the public is essential. This partnership requires ongoing dialogue and careful consideration of ethical implications. The future of AI is about humans and machines working together to create a better future. AI can augment our abilities, solve complex problems, and address global challenges. We hope you learned something new about what is AI for beginners today. Feel free to view our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. Please like, comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching the AI Newsroom. See you in the next one.